Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home, week 56. Okay, so we're going quite Asian this week. We've got some lamb belly. This one's on the bone, but yeah, I'm not sure how yours will come, but anyway, we've got to cook it and shred it down anyway. So we've got some little flatbreads, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to make like an Asian kind of filled flatbread. And then I've got some Asian slaw, which is sort of cabbage and onions and pomegranate. That's a slaw dressing, that's like a sort of spicy sesame dressing. And then I've got some Xinjiang spice and sesame seed, some peanut and sesame sauce, and some coriander. Right, so first thing, we'll get our lamb in the oven. The oven's on about 190. We just want to heat these through nicely and sort of get a bit of crispy goldenness on them, so pop them in. Guess they're going to be about 10 odd minutes. Okay, so whilst they're warming up, we'll make the, or dress the slaw basically, so in all that goes. Then our slaw dressing. Last one. So what we'll do with these then is just cut them in half basically. So hopefully you guys won't find this too hard, but just put your hand on top. All the way through the middle. So you get two bits of sandwich bread almost. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on just to help them crisp up. Sure you've got a bit of sunflower oil or something you can use. Just to rub in like that. Right, and then I suppose for the last 5 to 10 minutes, pop them in the oven. Okay, so I think we're ready now. So these are nice, they're just feeling nice and refreshed really, so I'm just going to pop them on the plates. Our lamb ribs, we're going to take off the bone. Some of you will have bone, some of you won't. Yeah. Just falling out. It's very nice. Now, to make sure, yeah, so that's the bottom, that's the top. Put that there, put that there, put that there, put that there. Right, first things first, let's go with the slaw in the bottom, I reckon. Pile that on. You have it all spilling out the edge, I think that looks quite nice. And let's get our lamb. Pile it up. Make sure you can still see all the colours underneath. Okay, next up, this is kind of our sauce. So plenty of coriander. Finally, sesame and the Xinjiang. There we go.